Hey everybody, this video is going to be about mitosis. So, don't be confused with meiosis or meiosis, however you pronounce it. Um, it is a different process. So mitosis is going to be the division of body cells, also known as somatic cells. So this is every single cell in your body does this except for your sex cells, your sperm and egg. Sperm and egg will divide using meiosis or meiosis. So please keep that in mind. So we're talking mitosis. So this process begins after interphase is complete. So in other words, interphase, as you remember, is preparation, when your body is preparing to divide. Now we're actually going to divide. All right. So with that said, there are multiple phases of cell division. And before I begin, I just want to suggest that if you guys have any videos, hint, hint, if you look at the next slide, I have videos linked in over here that go over this in more detail, but also have animations, and it makes it just a little bit easier to understand. So mitosis is broken up into 4 stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, or PMAT. PMAT. In each phase, it's really just think of it as you are preparing to divide. All right. In the first stage, your chromosomes will form. So that laid back chromatin structure, right, of all that DNA is going to tighten up into chromosomes. Think of it like if you have a wire, like a really long wire, that's your chromosome. I'm sorry, that's your chromatin. But if you want to take that wire with you into another room, like if it's a charger, you want to bring that to another room, you roll it up real quick, that would be a chromosome. It's still DNA. It's just one is loose and laid back, the other one is tightly packed up so that you can move it easily. So again, chromatin is like the wire that's extended. Chromosome is when you roll the wire up. Not only that, the nuclear envelope disappears. Next up, metaphase. All these chromosomes you just made, in your body, there will be 46. They are going to align, all right, in the middle. Metaphase is for middle of the cell. And then in anaphase, these chromosomes are going to be pulled apart, anaphase apart. How are they going to be pulled apart? They're going to be pulled apart using centrioles. Centrioles are like basically little mini ropes that connect to the chromosomes and pull them apart. In telophase, the chromatin is going to reform. In other words, you're going to relax those chromosomes. So again, imagine if you took that wire, that the charger, you took it from one room to the next room. This is when you unroll it back out so you can use it again, and the envelope will reform. So that is mitosis, very simply put, right? In the next slide, we will talk about cytokinesis.